MK2 na PDWM Trident ng Crytac. So ito yung box. Open natin. So may manual dito nakadikit. So guys, ito siya. So this is the Crytac kalimutan ko, MK2 PDWM. So full metal siya guys. Front assembly is around 4 inches. M-lock handguard. And then may Crytac markings dito guys. And then dun sa receiver niya is may Crytac engraved markings din. Okay, so naka PDW type na stock siya. Fully adjustable. And then internal parts is reinforced na Crytac internals. Naka flat trigger. Polymer Trident grip. And then ito yung battery compartment niya. So for the battery compartment, ito, yan. So may fuse na rin siya. So usually yung fuse, tinatanggal natin. Kasi nga, madalas to, pagka malakas yung battery or LiPo battery, pumuputok. Laging pumuputok. Okay lang din naman di tanggalin. So ito yung kabilang side. Metal charging handle, rotary type chamber. Dalawang kulay ang meron tayo, isang black at saka DE. And then, dun sa mga kasama sa box, meron siyang kasamang front sights and rear sights. Folding sights guys, fully adjustable. And then may kasama na rin siyang rail rail adapter for accessory attachment. Adapter, Tamiya to DINS. And then for the magazine, ang meron tayo, or ang kasama niya is a Crytac PMag mid-cap magazine.